man, 3.6 inch. So I already got the props for it, I'll show you, and they're like 5-inch props, but they're, 3.6 inch.
Watch the counter freeze like it forgot my name. 100 views, yeah, I try to care, but silence is louder than the numbers there. I see these guys with the bedroom mics on like they're half asleep but still go viral overnight. And I'm here overthinking every line, like maybe excellence is just another way to hide. I keep waiting for a spark to hit, but maybe faith looks more like grit. It's exploding in my head. All the noise, all the doubt, all the things I never said. Should I jump? Should I quit? Should I bet it all again? God, I swear you keep saying finish it, my friend, but I'm stuck here on the edge, and it's exploding in my head. 35 feels late to start when every dream's a moving target in the dark. But maybe truth don't trend online. Maybe real songs take a little more time. I don't need 1,000 years to tell me what you already hear. If you gave me this, I'll sing it still, even if no one ever exploding in my head, but maybe that's the sound of something being born.